Hello Derby fans! This video will share important information for getting started on your building and modification journey. We'll talk about steering, braking, and building versus buying. Welcome to the Madison Avenue Derby's Getting Started Build Guide. First, let's talk about steering. With steering, less is more. Oversteering is the Derby's #1 safety issue. Please plan to use a steering block, as pictured here, or prevent flipping or loss of control with some other mechanism. These Derby cars really only need about 5 degrees of steering capability. Steering limitations are inspected when you check in on race day, and the Derby reserves the right to require adjustments or improvements at that time. Next, let's talk about putting on the brakes. It's recommended that a pedal brake is used so the driver's hands can be used for steering, but there are a variety of options for braking, such as the handbrake shown in this image. It's also recommended that light materials are used so that the brake is able to make the build stop. Heavy builds do not win time trials. The faster builds win with reduced friction and aerodynamics. Braking capabilities are inspected when you check in on race day, and the Derby reserves the right to require adjustments or improvements at that time. Last but not least, let's talk about building versus buying. Traditional soapbox cars, such as the one pictured here, are only eligible to win the time trials if they have been built by the person registering for the event. The build cannot have been purchased, borrowed, or traded in order to compete for speed, but there are several other award categories for which the build is still eligible. The Derby is about bringing families together to build these cars, so this guideline is intended to align with the spirit of the event. Thank you for watching the Madison Avenue Derby's Getting Started Build Guide. Check the website for our building resources page. This page includes the information shared in this video, along with links to several building guides available on the web. Good luck on your build, and we'll see you at the Derby.